Hello guys, in this video we will look at some of the best electric fireplaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Duraflame Freestanding Electric Fireplace Stove Heater. The Duraflame stove heater stands out as a top pick for those who want charm, warmth, and simplicity all in one. Unlike many sleek wall-mounted units, this freestanding model has a classic stove-like design that instantly adds character to any room. Its cream finish gives it a neutral yet elegant look that blends seamlessly with both modern and traditional decor. What makes this fireplace exceptional is its three-dimensional flame effect. The flame projection technology creates a layered and realistic fire that looks just like the real thing, but without the hassle of logs or gas. This brings a unique coziness to your home while also allowing you to enjoy the flames with or without heat, making it a year-round centerpiece. When it comes to performance, the Duraflame stove heater is capable of warming up a space of up to 1,000 square feet, which makes it suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, or even a medium-sized basement. Another great feature is the overheat protection system, which ensures safe operation by automatically shutting off if the unit gets too hot. Practicality is also a major strength. The freestanding design means no installation is required. Just plug it in and enjoy. Plus, it uses infrared quartz heating that helps maintain the natural humidity of the room's air, leaving you comfortably warm without drying out your skin. All these features combined with ease of use make the Duraflame freestanding stove heater a reliable and stylish choice for anyone looking to invest in an electric fireplace that provides both beauty and dependable heating. Number 2. RW Flame 60-inch recessed and wall-mounted electric fireplace. If you are looking for a sleek, contemporary option that doubles as both a heater and a design element, the RW Flame 60-inch fireplace is an impressive contender. Its wide frame makes a bold statement on any wall, providing a focal point that instantly elevates the look of your space. Unlike bulky fireplaces, this model offers a slim and modern profile that fits neatly into a recessed wall or can be hung like a flat-screen television. One of the most eye-catching features is the adjustable flame color and speed. You can choose from several flame shades and motion settings to create the perfect ambience for any occasion, from a calm and cozy evening to a lively gathering. The ability to personalize the flame display makes it versatile and fun to use. This fireplace does more than look good. It also provides effective heating. With two power modes ranging from 750 to 1500 watts, it's suitable for supplementing warmth in rooms of different sizes. The built-in remote control with timer adds convenience, allowing you to adjust settings without leaving your seat. Its low-noise operation ensures that your relaxation or conversations will not be interrupted by distracting sounds. Installation is straightforward, and the unit is designed to fit into standard wall studs, making it a practical choice for both homeowners and renters who want a permanent or semi-permanent solution. Whether mounted or recessed, the RW Flame fireplace delivers a balance of style, warmth, and customizable ambiance. Overall, this model is an excellent choice for those who want a widescreen, contemporary look combined with reliable heating performance and user-friendly controls.
Number 3. Puraflame Alice 36-inch recessed electric fireplace. The Puraflame Alice electric fireplace offers a perfect blend of performance and elegant design for medium-sized spaces. Measuring 36 inches, it provides the ideal balance between a noticeable focal point and a fireplace that does not overwhelm the room. Its recessed, flush-mounted design makes it look like a built-in unit, bringing a seamless and polished appearance to your wall. A highlight of this model is the realistic flame presentation. The unit comes with both a log set and crystals, allowing you to switch between a traditional or more modern visual style. The adjustable brightness and flame settings give you freedom to set the exact ambiance you want, whether it is soft and subtle or vivid and dramatic. In terms of heating, the Puraflame Alice features a 1500-watt heater that is capable of supplementing warmth in your living area. It operates efficiently and is designed to provide comfort without consuming excessive energy. Safety features such as automatic shutoff protection add reassurance for daily use. What makes this model especially appealing is its versatility. It works well in living rooms, bedrooms, or even home offices, adding not only warmth, but also a touch of style. The clean black finish blends effortlessly with a variety of color schemes and room decors. The unit is easy to control with its remote and offers flexible options to enjoy flames with or without heat, making it usable year-round. Number 4. Dimplex Sierra 48-inch Electric Fireplace. The Dimplex Sierra 48-inch fireplace is a modern and versatile heating solution that combines slim design with customizable visual effects. With its wall-mounted structure, it creates a striking presence in living rooms, bedrooms, or even office spaces. The black finish gives it a sophisticated look that pairs well with contemporary decor styles. What makes the Sierra unique is its adjustable ember bed and flame effects. You can choose from multiple colors and flame settings to suit your mood, creating anything from a calming glow to a vibrant display. This flexibility ensures the fireplace always complements your environment, no matter the occasion. Heating performance is strong, thanks to its 1400-watt heater. It's designed to provide supplemental warmth that makes your room more comfortable without overburdening your main heating system. You also have the option to enjoy the flame visuals without the heat, making it perfect for year-round enjoyment. Ease of use is another highlight. The remote control lets you manage flame settings, heat levels, and timers with minimal effort. Additionally, the slim build means it does not protrude heavily from the wall, giving your room a clean and uncluttered look. The Dimplex Sierra is ideal for those who want a versatile unit that works as both a decorative piece and a functional heater. Number 5. Real Flame Silverton 48-inch Electric Fireplace with Mantle. For those who want the charm of a traditional fireplace without the mess and maintenance, the Real Flame Silverton Electric Fireplace is a wonderful option. This model comes with a classic mantle design, instantly giving your room the elegance and warmth of a built-in fireplace. Unlike wall-mounted units, this one feels like a true centerpiece that enhances the architectural style of your living space. The Silverton delivers a lifelike log and flame effect, creating the illusion of a real fire that adds instant coziness. Its replaceable fireplace insert means you can enjoy long-term use, as worn parts can be swapped out to extend its lifespan. The unit also comes with a remote control and timer, adding convenience and flexibility to your experience. Performance-wise, this model provides supplemental heat for medium-sized rooms, making it practical for living rooms or bedrooms. The flame visuals can be enjoyed with or without heat, so you can use it for ambiance even in warmer months. The white mantle finish gives it a bright and classic look, making it especially suitable for traditional or transitional interiors. Unlike some modern minimalist designs,
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.